Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 28th of March. I'm James Spann. Got an active weather day tomorrow. Rain and thunderstorms, maybe a few strong to severe, but then the weekend looking pretty good. Let's check it out. There's the upper air look. Got a trough west of the state that is progressive, moving our way. That's going to set the stage for a stormy day tomorrow. That's a visible satellite view. Broken clouds over the state. We've seen some sun today, but generally speaking, the sky is mostly cloudy. And a few showers at 2:31 on radar over northwest Alabama's Marion, Franklin, Lawrence counties. And that's where the rain will continue to expand in coming hours up there in that northwestern part of the state. And it feels pretty good today. We've got upper 70s in most spots. Birmingham at 77, Anniston 79 degrees. And around the nation, you can see it's a little colder back behind this system, but nothing excessively cold for late March. Should be pretty nice here this weekend. Got flash flood watches in effect today from eastern Texas up through much of Arkansas, North Mississippi, western Tennessee, much of Kentucky, parts of Ohio, West Virginia. In Alabama, just 3 counties are under a flash flood watch. Those are counties up in the northwestern tip of the state: Franklin, Colbert, Lauderdale. That's Russellville, Florence, Muscle Shoals, Tuscumbia, Sheffield. The rest of the state, no watches or warnings. Off to the west, a tornado watch until 9 o'clock tonight. This covers southeast Texas and parts of Louisiana. This includes places like Houston, Lufkin, Texas, and we'll keep an eye on things there. There's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The standard risk over parts of southeast Texas, the Texas coastal plain, up through sections of Louisiana into extreme western Mississippi. And again, there's a marginal risk kind of clipping the northwestern corner of Alabama. And keep in mind, this is for the period that expires at 7 a.m. tomorrow. That's for the chance of a few strong storms late tonight up there. But the severe weather threat tonight is fairly low. Now, tomorrow, this is the new outlook. We've got much of the state in some type of risk. The lowest end risk is the marginal risk. The area is in darker green. And then the standard level 2 slight risk covers Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Clanton, Demopolis, Camden, down to Mobile. And we'll talk about this specifically in just a minute. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger values a little north and west of here. In Alabama, the bigger numbers up around the shoals. That's the reason for the flash flood watch there. 2.4 inches amounts closer to 1 inch for the rest of the state. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see the troughing approaching from the west. Down below that, kind of a noisy surface look here. There's not really a well-defined surface low involved, and that is one of the limiting factors in severe weather tomorrow. But clearly, it's going to be a wet and stormy day. Let's go through the high-resolution NAM. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And it's starting to look like it might be, a decent part of the morning could be dry, but the rain will be increasing through midday. This is showing a line of heavier showers coming through Tuscaloosa and Jasper at this point. This is 4 o'clock. Heavier storms just coming through Birmingham, down to about Camden. And then by 7 o'clock, those heavier storms over into East Alabama. So the question is, could we see any severe weather tomorrow? We've got the SPC outlook. This is the surface-based Cape tomorrow afternoon, and this is at 3 o'clock. And again, these numbers are not really all that high, but certainly sufficient for strong to severe storms. The higher Cape values down in southwest Alabama, where they exceed 1,500 joules per kilogram. The max down there is 16.8. And this is the storm relative helicity. And again, there's enough there to support organized storms, maybe a rotating updraft or two. And this is the STP. This is the composite index. And remember, back on March 19th, we had 15 tornadoes. The STP peaked out at 7. This shows a max STP of 2.3 way down in southwest Alabama, down in Clark County. The higher STP values are down there where the air is more unstable. Monroe, Clark, Escambia, Mobile, Baldwin. And even down there, the tornado threat is not overly high, but there certainly could be an isolated, small, brief tornado somewhere. But the bigger threat tomorrow, strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail, nothing like the catastrophic hail we had March 19th. These two events are not in the same universe. But as always, anytime something like this blows through in late March, you have to watch, and we'll do that. Friday should be a nice day. The sky becoming sunny. Highs go back in the 60s, and a beautiful day to kick off the weekend on Saturday. Sunny with a high in the mid-70s, and Easter Sunday looks good. And again, there's a weak boundary near the Tennessee state line. There might be a shower up there, but they should be few and far between. Sunday, partly sunny with a high, again, in the mid-70s. Monday, maybe a few showers north of here. Much of the day Monday should be dry with upper 70s. Some locations may be touching 80. And this is Tuesday. Even then, any showers would seem to be pretty widely spaced. Will be close to 80. And then a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 4th of April, deep vortex over Hudson Bay in Canada. A zonal flow down here, a surface boundary showing a chance of showers, maybe some thunder. That's not a severe weather look. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, April 7th. Big trough in the west, big trough in the northeast. 1033 high, pretty cold air. We'll see if that can nose in here. Looks like a backdoor front tries to come in. But again, we're going to see different modeling out here. But I'm a little worried about that weekend. The 7th, the 8th, there might be the chance of a late season freeze in there. I still think we have one more frost or freeze event to go before we get out of this. And these are coming off the European, pretty persistent with highs in the 60s and lows in the upper 40s and low 50s. But again, these numbers will probably change in coming days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I'm not that good. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.